what you're going to use. We've got a cup of pretzels, and we've already cracked them and chopped them up into little pieces so they're not big sticks. 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1.5 sticks of butter. And we're going to melt that butter. We've got right here, we've got 2.5 cups of strawberries. We're going to be using 8 ounces of the whipped topping Cool Whip, a block of cream cheese, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of any kind of nuts. These are walnuts. You could use pecans, regular peanuts, but today we're using walnuts. So let's get started. We're going to get the oven preheated to 400 while we make our crust. Okay, we're going to start by adding our pretzels. And that's 1 cup of pretzels. And then we're going to add our brown sugar to that. And our 1.5 sticks of melted butter. And we're just going to give that a good mix. Okay, now that the sugar has dissolved in that melted butter, now we're going to lay it on a baking dish. We're going to put it on this baking pan, like a big bread pan, or a cookie sheet. And I'm going to add this parchment paper to mine so that sugar don't coat so much on my pan. And we're just going to take this and spread it out. And then we're going to put this in the oven, and we're going to bake it on 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes. You have to watch this real close because you don't want your sugar to burn. It's been about 3 minutes and look how hot it already is. Okay, we just took our pretzel mixture out of the oven, and I'm just going to give it a little mix, and then we're going to put it back in there for about 4 more minutes. But see how they're starting to roast and get a little toasty? Show y'all what it looks like so far. We're going to put it back in there for around 4 more minutes. Now we're going to add to our cream cheese. We're going to go ahead and add our teaspoon of vanilla, our 1/2 cup of white sugar, and we're going to go ahead now and just give that a mix and start softening that cream cheese up a little bit. We're going to scrape down the sides and do it one more time. This right here is just a quick, easy little dessert, and it's a lot simpler than making that version of it in a casserole dish. We're going to put it in a bowl. Okay, now to my cream cheese and my sugar and vanilla, we're going to add our Cool Whip. Okay, now to the cream cheese mixture, I'm going to add in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. That's about 8 right there. And we're going to mix it just for a second, but I don't want it to break down much, so just about 2 minutes. Okay, we've got this out of the oven. It don't take long, and y'all have to really watch it or it will burn. We're going to give that another mix. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Okay, and now we're just going to let that sit there and cool off. I'm just going to fold it in because I don't want to over mix it, because I don't want my Cool Whip to break down. Okay, and now to that we're going to add 2 cups of strawberries. And I've diced them up in little tiny pieces. And then right here, like I said, we're using walnuts, but you can use pecans, peanuts, any kind of nuts you like. Almonds might even work. But this is what we have, so we're using walnuts. And now I'm just going to start folding that in. Now some people make this and put it in like a pie pan, and they put the pretzel mixture as a crust, the cream cheese and the whipped cream in the middle, and the strawberries and the walnuts just on top, with even some jello. But we're trying it an easier version right here. Okay, now we're going to see if our pretzels have cooled off enough to try to use them. Still a little hot. We got to give them a few more minutes. And now we're just going to fold in our pretzel and sugar mixture. And if you was making this like for a party or something, you just keep it chilled until you get ready to take it out and serve it. I'm actually going to take this to work and let the ladies in the lunchroom try it, I believe. All right, now we're going to put it in a prettier dish. Get it all out of here. Now to that we're going to add just a few walnuts to the top that I saved. And a couple little strawberries just to make it pretty. And this is just another way to make the strawberry pretzel salad. It's a lot simpler, faster, and easier. Hope y'all give it a try. Okay, y'all, if you like this video on strawberry cracked pretzel salad, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.